Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get ByBit card. So in order to apply for the ByBit card, you first need to launch your ByBit app, then tap on the more option on the home page. Now here you will be landed on the services page where you need to use the search bar in the top and search for card. Now once you are able to find the card section, you just have to simply tap on it, and after waiting for some time it will redirect you on this page where it will show you the perks and benefits of having the ByBit card. So you just have to read the information that is given on this page, and you can even learn about how it actually works. So once you are certain that you want to apply for this card, you just have to press the apply now button. Then your application process will be started. So first it will ask you to select your country of residence. So you just have to simply select your country. Now by default Australia will be selected, but you just have to tap on this drop down button, and from the given countries list you just have to select your country. After that it will show you whether that country is supported or not. So if that country is not supported, you won't be able to apply for it. So you need to make sure that the country which is supported for the ByBit card is selected. So let's say I select the Australia country. So you just have to simply select it, and then you will be landed on the ID verification page. Now you need to submit an Australian national ID or a US driving license or a US passport in order to proceed. So among the given IDs, you just have to select the one that best suits you. Let's say you have selected the driving license, so you just have to simply press the verify button. After that it will redirect you on the verification page where it will ask you to select your country or your region again. So again you need to tap on the drop down menu, and from the countries list you just have to again simply select your country, then select the document type and press confirm. After that it will redirect you on the next page where you just have to simply select the option that would say what's your country of residence. So if it is US, then select US, but if it is non-US resident, then select non-US residence and press continue. After that it will ask you to allow the permissions for the pictures and the screen recordings. So you just have to simply allow it, and then the camera or pop-up will be open in front of you. So you just have to align your document into that frame so that it could capture the image. After the image is captured, you just have to simply press submit. Then you just have to provide your own videos in the form of selfie. So you just have to do that, and you will be able to submit the application for ByBit card. Now once you are approved, you will get your ByBit card confirmation via email. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like. If you have any questions, do comment them down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.